Hi everyone and welcome. Today we have a target discussion about gene therapy, and together with my chums, we're gonna talk about the promising and potential dangers attracted the attention of public issues and concerns. Just keep watching. Researchers found a new technique which revolutionized the world of medicine, the gene therapy. The main function of gene therapy is to introduce genes into existing cells in order to prevent or cure diseases. It is defined as a treatment of disorder or disease through a transfer of engineered genetic material into a human cells, often by a viral transduction. Many diseases have genetic bases, meaning that mutated genes provide incorrect instructions that cause the cell to produce an abnormal protein, or the disable production completely, either of which can cause disease.
Gene therapy, a functional copy of gene, is delivered into patient's own cell normal protein. Therapy uses engineered viruses to deliver genes into cells. These are called viral vectors. Using the genetically engineered retrovirus, the vectors, it can be programmed to carry gene or a little bit of DNA that will overwrite the messed up mutation and make it work properly. In addition, public raises concern about the safety of gene therapy. Numerous issues arise for opponents wanting to prohibit any further use of gene therapy. One major issue is that they believe that gene therapy might cause genetic discrimination.
Nord claimed that the side effects are possible and expected. Normal immune system responses such as fever and common but severe responses do occur. Moreover, Professor Wolfgang Eckert, the president of German Society for Gene Therapy, that researchers released new vector was improved and it is safe.
However, Maya Fullerton, Doctor of Philosophy, opposed the safeness of the gene therapy. According to her, the problem is that gene therapy sometimes can misdirect itself to different places into a genome, might make similar genetic changes to regions that were not intended targets. These are so-called off-target effects, can't have unintended genetic consequences, can turn off the genes. The advantages of a gene therapy: it allows us to treat untreatable diseases. It could be useful in the treatment for multiple diseases. The medical impact of gene therapy can create permanent results.
Patients treated by gene therapy enough scientific evidence that gene therapy way to cure gene disorder. The first patients received the therapy was Asante de Salva. She remains alive to these days.
In contrast, the disadvantages of gene therapy, there could be unwanted immune system reactions. Patient to experience health issues like inflammation, dizziness, and headaches.
Current gene therapy methods can sometimes target the wrong cells. The delivery viruses might recover their ability to create disease. Gene therapies could cause potential tumor.
Soon, the gene therapy will become a principle of 21st century medicine. Using the genetically engineered retrovirus, the vectors, it can be programmed to carry gene or a little bit of DNA that will overwrite the missed mutation and make it work properly. Gene therapy holds promise for treating a wide range of diseases such as cancer, cystic fibrosis, heart disease, diabetes, hemophilia, and AIDS. As doctors and scientists did, the possibilities of gene therapy hold much promise. Clinical trials of gene therapy in a people have shown some success in treating certain diseases, such as severe combined immune deficiency, hemophilia, blindness caused by retinitis pigmentosa, and leukemia.
However, several significant barriers stand in the way of gene therapy becoming a reliable forms of treatment, including finding a reliable ways to get genetic materials into cells, targeting the correct cells, reducing the risk of the side effect.
In addition, Nords added, individuals who have already been exposed to delivery viruses when the gene therapy is packaged will not be eligible for treatment. The viruses used in gene therapy are naturally occurring and benign, but still foreign to our body. Because of this, individual can come in contact with the virus and antibodies development Those antibodies would destroy the gene therapy before it could be effective if that patient were to be treated with gene therapy.
Generally, the gene therapy is promising to the aspects of treating the illness and diseases. However, ethical concerns can't be avoided and need the researchers more scientific evidences to prove the gene therapy is completely safe. Gene therapy is one of the options we have today to fight diseases. It is a way more complicated, but holds a promising treatment of some untreated diseases before. Even though there is always a price to pay, but remember, we can't achieve something without any single sacrifice. I think that's all. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.